Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. I figured I'd go ahead and get this recorded since I was kind of in a decluttering mood. These are all of my bath products. I'm going to start off with this one right here. This one I've had for ever. I keep it upright. I don't really like what it does to my skin. It makes me feel disgusting and coated and slimy and it's now in the trash. I don't really have a whole lot of body products. I don't use body washes. I use bar soap, and I don't really take baths because they make me hurt worse. So this little body wash here that's upside down, I actually use it as shampoo. I have a little body scrub here. It's a purifying scrub. It's separated, but it smells fine, but I'm going to go ahead and just throw it in the trash. I have this Ulta Beauty Sugared Vanilla Bath Fizz. I have a pink sorbet and a lilac breeze. I bought these to test them out. They all smell about the same. They kind of fizz. They were like $2 or less. You put them in and they sink, and then they kind of give you a little bit of CO2 action in the tub, and then they're done. The bath water doesn't smell any better. It doesn't change anything color-wise. It doesn't make your skin feel any softer. They're just little hard fragrance cubes that you really have to hold one in your hand in order to smell it. So I'm just gonna end up, I'll use them and then I won't buy any more of them because I don't use stuff like that. This is a oatmeal body thing that I made. It's like oatmeal and dried milk and a few other ingredients like honey and whatnot that I made a while back. And as you can see, it's rather lumpy, but you just kind of grab a chunk of it and throw it in your bath water. And it's really good if you have super dry skin for something like this, but it's old and I forget that I have it, so I'm just gonna toss it. I pulled a couple of these out of my shower, so most of these were underneath. This one here, I really prefer the Dr. Teal's one. This is a foaming bath soak. It doesn't foam at all. This is Relief. It's like eucalyptus, spearmint, and menthol. I use this when I'm hurting really, really, really bad. But I prefer the one by Dr. Teal's. This is the Relax and Relief one that's eucalyptus and spearmint. It's the liquid form. I've got, it's to right here. So I prefer the Epsom salt, but this is liquid Epsom salts, so it's okay. This is one that I bought at Walmart. It's the brown sugar and vanilla bubble bath with shea butter. It smells like candy. It does foam. I mainly just use it to shave my legs. Then we have two Melaleuca products. These are both freesia-ish type fragrances. They both say Fresh Rain. I think it's freesia. It doesn't say what the fragrance is. There's all kinds of different vitamins and oils and stuff in here. It smells nice. It smells like freesia. If you ask me, it smells like freesia. I do put these in my bath water and I do use them to shave my legs, so I'm going to keep those. This here, I think I bought at the Dollar Tree. I've used about half of it. I don't really, like I said, I don't really take baths. This is a body wash. It's pretty thick-ish, but I really don't use it as a body, a body wash. This one here, I've got this much left in it. I've just been using it as shampoo to get it used up. This is a body wash from White Rain. It just says all day moisture. I don't know what the fragrance is. It's probably a regular rain fragrance. Again, I just use it as shampoo. This body ecology, I think this came from Walmart. This is Blackberry Vanilla. Blackberry is a fragrance that I really enjoy. Occasionally I'll use this as a bubble bath. It's a body wash. The lavender one from Dial. I bought it because I needed something to help me relax at night. When I showered at night, it is super, super, super thick. It's a nice fragrance, but again, I don't use body washes. If I do use a body wash, I'll use that first, and then I will still wash with a bar soap afterwards. It's just, I'm really weird about that. And And then we have this fragrance again. This is the Everlasting Sunshine Body Wash from Suave. The only reason why I have it is because of the fragrance, and I do shave my legs with it. And then last we have the Omega Moisture. This is from Dial. This is called Sea Berries. This is actually like a minty tangerine kind of fragrance. I use this to shave my legs, wash the dog, wash the cats. It's moisturizing. It smells nice. It doesn't like make the animals stink afterwards, but it's a nice product. But again, I don't use like body wash for like body wash. I put it in like water for bubble baths. I shave my legs with it. I'll wash my hair with it. Oh, and I have one more over here. I forgot. This is the Dr. Teal's. This is the body wash version. What I do with this is when I'm having a really bad fibro day, I will get in the shower, get wet, and then stand in the back of the shower, and I will put this on and just coat every inch of everything that hurts really bad with this. And then what I will do is I will just leave it sit on my skin and slowly like work into my skin, and it kind of is cooling and a little bit tingling at the same time, but it also helps with like the sensitivity that I have just by like doing this on my skin. That can be painful, so that's what I use this for. And this one is about right here on the bottle. So this is the same fragrance that this one is here. One's just a bubble bath and one's a body wash, but I do prefer the Dr. Teal's over the Village Therapy one. But yeah, that is all of my body products. I've already thrown out a few, and like I said, I mainly just shave my legs with them, or I use them as shampoo, or occasionally I throw them in my bath water, but very rarely do I ever take a bath. Like maybe once a month, if that, do I ever take a bath. Like I'm a shower person. So, but this is everything that I'm gonna go ahead and keep everything that I have. I mean, a lot of it is older or it's like half used. There's no point in getting rid of any of this stuff other than the stuff that I got rid of, which is old. And then I've got one more video to film, technically two, but and then I will be done decluttering everything out of my collection that I don't need anymore. So hopefully you enjoy these, like going through my like inventory of everything that I have and talking about why I have it, what I use it for, and getting rid of the stuff that I don't need anymore. So I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good one. Bye.